fishing guy here. Was gonna go fishing today. It's really cold here, and it's raining. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna give you a tour of River Rat. It's my boat. I don't know what year it is. Everything you see, I've done to it, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm not a professional by any means. I've learned everything, and this is going to be funny to some. I've learned everything that I know about fishing from the Outdoor Channel years ago. I never had anybody that took me fishing. I didn't have a male figure that was in my life to take me going fishing. So everything I've learned has been from the Outdoor Channel, YouTube, stuff like that. So I hope y'all enjoy. Let's start the boat tour. Starting from the front, got the life jackets, fishing poles, stuff like that. Trolling motor back there with 2 batteries. Trolling motor up front. Both of them are 30-pound thrust, and out on the lake they do great. Alright, let's go ahead and look what I have for tackle. I just got this Plano box to keep on the boat. This is what I got. Fishing license here. This is my hooks, sinkers. Have this crawl bug kit. It's really good. I like it. Got my crankbaits, whopper ploppers, and that one. I just started fishing with jigs. Not an expert in them by any means. That's what I'm going to try and get more familiar with. Fishing line. This is for catfishing. This is 26 pound. This is for my leaders. Always use P-line. Love this stuff. This is literally almost invisible. This is the clear. I love it. Barely sit in the water. Really good stuff. This is a cheap brand. I don't know where I got it. I think I was in a tight spot at the lake last year and needed some fishing line. I left mine. So I bought this at a tackle shop, like a mom and pop tackle shop up there by the lake. But I still have it. And of course, all my artificials. I tell you what I love right now, and has not let me down. If I can find them. There's these right here, Rage Tail by Strike Kings. The Java scented. I cannot say anything bad about them. The last 7 fish I've caught has been with this. I love it. Strike King, hit me up for sponsorship. I love y'all's products. Man, I love them. As you can see, another Strike King kit, which I just talked about. Strike King has always done good with me. I love them. Can't say nothing bad about them. So yeah. Also, turn this around. Also, another thing, motor for the boat. Working on it. The guy that had it before me lost the wiring harness on it, and should be getting that pretty soon. I think everything else is ready for it to be fired up. Should be awesome. So going back here to my, I have Everstart marine batteries. So far they're excellent batteries. Minn Kota, there's my trolling motor. Minn Kota, 30-pound thrust, very good across the lake with 2 people in it. Can't say nothing bad about them. There's the box for it. at all. Another product that I can't say nothing about is Lew's. I love Lew's. This is the Cat Daddy for catfishing. I'm not a big catfisherman, but I like going. I like trying to learn more about catfishing. Hardest thing is patience. So we'll see how that goes. So, not a big boat. It does great for everything I need it to do. And I just wanted to make a new video. I got a new camera. I wanted to get a video up. It's not going to be very long. I'm learning this whole YouTube thing. I'm learning more about it, trying to make longer videos. Like I said, it's raining here. It's hard to get out on the water and do that. Here's my new rod I just got. I'm absolutely in love with it. Love it. Lew's. For the money, I mean, you literally can't go wrong with it. Very comfortable in my hand as well.